Hi, I'm Anjali,
I'm Kai.
and you're watching Main Character Energy. And today we have someone in studio who embodies main character energy. It's the one and only Harman Singh, the ultimate family man.
The hype women.
Yeah. So, but seriously, you've donned so many hats, and you have to tell us all about it. You're an actor, you're a director, you've been a creator, writer.
Yes, of all trades. Master of none.
No, I think master of everything, actually. Yeah. So, yeah, let's get right into it.
Let's get it.
Did you ever picture this moment now that you're getting so much praise for Family Man?
I did picture it. I think as a actor, the your whole life you wait for something like that, right? And I'm not going to be humble. I really want to brag about the fact, like it is that moment, man. I posted on Instagram yesterday. Also, it's been the best 2 weeks of my life professionally, hands down. Because when I was 25, I acted in a film. That film got completely shot, edited, but it never released. And at the same time, I was writing and directing a film. So in 2013, it was a year where I thought, I'm going to come into Bollywood as the best debut actor, best debut director, and then life will be amazing, right? It's a great way to. I was launching my own career by head, but reality struck, and both the movies never saw the day of light. And then I started doing a lot of OTT content, whatever it takes, from travel shows, documentaries. I produced music videos. We've written together in writer rooms when I was part of a production house. And the whole idea was that I'm very, very happy being on set, being in this environment, because I'm not originally from here. So I still cherish the most mundane things about it, be it editing, be it writing. And it's a lonely job, writing alone. But that joy of seeing people come together, like 100, 200 people come together and try to make what you've written alone on a laptop. That joy is great. And slowly what happened is that I was doing all these things. I didn't have a defined path. But everybody used to tell me that you have to choose between acting and writing, acting, writing. You can't do everything. And those rules apply to you, especially when something is not clicked. So I had small victories, but I was always looking for one big moment.
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course. Yeah.
This is definitely that. It feels like that. Since the day the show has come out, I've been feeling like it's my birthday every day.
Oh, that's
So,
awesome.
of course, lots of tell us
DMs. I'm
more
sure the
about it.
DMs. We want to know the DMs, the DMs from the.
Behave yourself, women. What is this behavior? Who talks like this? I've been getting all kinds of DMs.
Reply to me only. What is this?
I did. I actually tried. I tried. And yeah. What's going on? Behave yourself.
Tell us some of the crazy DMs you got, like from women.
Lots of crazy DMs. I've actually taken off my beard after a year and a half because everybody's calling me a traitor. If you've seen the show by now, people know that I have a very cool character which has many shades, and it's fun to play that character. But the attention that I'm getting right now is something I've seen from afar. I've seen my brother get a lot of attention when he was 20, and he's been always a very famous, popular guy. Yeah. For me, it feels very new. I'm really enjoying it. And more than anything, the fact that people are messaging my brother, they're messaging my parents, they're messaging my closest friends, saying that we saw Harman, we're so happy. It's like there were a lot of people who were rooting for me, because within my world, in my ecosystem, people knew what I was doing.
Yeah.
But for a broader audience to see it, and it's just amazing, right? You really want that moment. I'm a huge fan of the show. I don't say it just for effect. I was obsessed with it.
Awesome.
To be a part of Family Man, I still find it slightly surreal. It's not fully sunk in.
Right.
I saw the show.
Wow, that's
Manoj Bajpayee, Jaideep Ulad, Nimrit, Sharif, Priyamani. These are the ones that are prominent. Then you have Seema Biswas, Vipin Sir, Jugal Hansraj.
Gulpana, there's like a
Gulpana.
big.
Just to be part of that group, it's like going to a World Cup final where your team is already on a winning streak, and you just enter and do your little job, hit a couple of fours. You just have to be good. And everything is they've already set up. The world is loved. People like the show. People were waiting for the show. For me, there's nothing to complain about.
Yeah.
How did you get this part though?
Again, work begets work. So there's a short film that I did, which I really like. I keep pitching that short film every year because I want everybody to watch it. It's called Entanglement. It's written and directed by a friend of mine. Like Anjali and I interacted and we worked together. I'd worked with somebody called Yashaswini Nath. She was a script supervisor on one of the films that didn't release, Mango. in 2013, and she and I always kept in touch because we loved science fiction and we were like really nerdy and geeky when it comes to sci-fi books, sci-fi movies, and we are obsessed. So she said, Harman, one day, we have to make science fiction in India, and I made the first.
You did actually with Aisha, right?
In 2015-16, I made something called A.I. Aisha, my virtual girlfriend, which got international acclaim. And it did really well. So in the industry, people started recognizing me for that guy. Oh, you wrote and acted in Aisha. And she was very happy. Then Yash Ashwini made her first short film, which is like really beautiful, well produced. It looks like a proper like international film.
Right.
And I acted in that. We only had one screening in India. That's all we could afford. Honestly, she put in everything in that. Her family has put in, produced, and it's a beautiful, like really nice film. So Raj sir came and watched it because her sister is Reshu Nath, who's written this movie Haq. She was also writing for Raj and DK. She invited them, and how cool of Raj sir to just come for a screening, man, of 15 people. So I instantly I always liked Raj sir and DK sir from a distance, but that gesture to come for somebody's screening, it means a lot to the people who are actually in the movie, right? And he said really nice things. He appreciated the actors, Harleen Sethi and me. And little did I know that he saw something and he called Mukesh sir and told him I want
Really, wow.
Yeah.
Isn't that like, that's how the things work.
Yeah.
to.
Yeah.
Oh,
Are you a big believer?
I wasn't till now.
Yeah.
I swear, I used to think that the world is conspiring against me. And I am so talented, I am so hardworking, which I'm not. And I used to think that you really have a sense of sometimes delusions of grandeur. I used to really think,
Basically, you want everything immediately, no? Like you come and you want that big break and you want things to work out. And then
most of us do, right?
Hmm.
In anything that we do.
Then I've started rationalizing it in one way that there are some people who become heartthrobs in their 20s, from DiCaprio to Ranbir Kapoor. That is their natural trajectory. Then there are some people who keep chugging along. And at some point, there will be a show, a property, something that you write that clicks with a larger group of people. So you can say that you're going mainstream now.
Of course.
Like Jerry Balawat is a lady.
Yeah, I was just thinking
I saw him in Commando in 2013. He was phenomenal. And then Patal Lok and everything that he did. Even Irfan Khan, 42, 43, after doing 20 years of television and just like great work.
Yeah.
So everybody has a different
Everybody,
Yeah.
you have a different path and a different thing of
And you're still young, man. What are you saying?
Yeah, you're 20.
You're so youthful.
20s.
आपकी तो skin से आपकी उम्र का पता नहीं चलता. No. But you look
Youngish.
very.
See, I've also got my new Neha Dupia look here. I've got some grays here.
Yeah.
I
Not
tell Neha.
because I have a lot of
tell
grey.
Neha.
my
Like,
God.
look, this is
No,
your
no.
style.
Yeah. No, but lots of women love the salt and pepper look, so it's all good.
Yeah,
Try
he's
whatever
salt and
goes.
pepper at the moment.
No, I'm
his
happy.
face is not salt and pepper.
I'm very happy
Yeah,
with salt
it's
and pepper.
absolutely fine.
Yeah, I'm very happy with it.
Yeah, I don't see anything though.
It's a full streak here.
We'll zoom in later. Yeah.
So yeah, so you talked about Family Man, and how was it working with Manoj Bajpayee? How was it to kind of because
one
that's
he
one of the main ones that you think about when you think about Manoj.
Yeah, he's
That's
the main,
like
the
the-
There
protagonist.
is a very nice metaphor I heard about an athlete that I love. So it applies to Manoj sir also. He is the sun, and all of us are the planets and asteroids and constellations that makes Family Man what it is. Of course, Raj DK and Suman sir, who's the writer, who's also directed this year, are very extremely talented people. But the heart and soul and is Manoj sir. He and I had 0 scenes together in the show. So there could have been a chance that I had 0 interaction with him. But thanks to Shreya, Sharib, they took me under their wing and they made sure that Manoj sir knew me, Dheeraj, Harsh, all the new actors who had come into the show in this season. And Manoj sir is unbelievably fun. He loves to chat, does little bit gossip. He'll give you little gyan without you even realizing. And he has said some of the most impactful things with just
By the way.
Just
Yeah.
by the way. So he told me something which I keep repeating in every conversation these days, that
Okay.
he came to Bombay, he got Satya Shul after Bandit Queen, immensely successful. But he said it took me a decade to make a house because I kept saying no to a lot of big actors and a lot of big work because he wanted to live his dream and not their version of what his dream should be. So I had to do my thing instead of playing a comedian or a villain or a this in really big project. I decided to keep doing my own thing where the story is shaped around me. And he's just very, very cool. Very quick-witted, very funny, very loving, caring, loves to shine the light on the younger actors, really cares. He's spoken to the directors कि यार श्रेया, हरमन, हर्ष, धीरज, इन सब के scenes अच्छे आ रहे हैं कि नहीं आ रहे. Each of the scene, each scene, he said, is like a piece of a puzzle for us to have the final picture. एक भी scene खराब होगा या ढीला होगा, पूरा मजा नहीं.
Not wrong, because
That's true.
it's obviously right.
Yeah.
Otherwise, like it's.
But there are so many actors who are all about themselves, no? And it's like my
And this
scene
is a
should be
complex
good.
show.
Yeah.
There's so
Yeah,
much
it's very
information.
complex.
It's
Yeah.
like you
Yeah,
have to
and
keep
part
up.
3, right? So you have so many expectations because now it has
Yeah.
to be, it has
It has to live up
equal or
to-
better
yeah.
than 2 or 1.
But I think it is the most watched show
Yeah, most
of this
watched
year.
show,
I
yeah.
was
Of the decade, century. Nobody has ever watched this much of anything ever. That's the stats we are getting because
I've realized this about Indian OTTs. I love you. Thank you. Please give me work. All of them are number one. All their shows are number one. Everything is super hit. We've never had a bad show.
But in also there were books also. All the books are
Bestseller.
Yeah,
They're all best-selling
You're
authors.
best-selling authors.
I have
I'm like,
friends-
Number one.
we sold only 10 books,
Yeah.
but we are
No.
best-selling.
I have friends who have released their books
Hmm.
and some like my parents' generation. My mother's also written 2-3 books.
Oh wow.
Oh,
Okay.
nice.
तुम 100 कॉपी ले लो.
तुम 100 कॉपी ले लो, तुम 100 कॉपी ले लो, bestseller हो गए.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's
We're all
right.
too familiar with
Whatever it
uh,
takes.
What do
Whatever.
we want to know about your mother later, about what
Yes,
did she write
Of
and
course.
what.
There's a story there also. Very nice. Story.
Yeah. But you are an army kid actually, right? And while I was doing my research / stalking you to get material for the interview.
Like, he's
No.
fond of you.
But I realized I never knew this. You were part of the Merchant Navy at some point. So how long was that? What was that all about?
Immediately after school, I went to the Merchant Navy when I was 17 and a half. Completely unaware, like a moron. Because my dad and I thought this is a great idea. I didn't want to sit in a classroom again. I got through an engineering college. I got through symbiosis. I can always pronounce in Pune.
Pune, yeah.
I was very excited to live my college life in Pune. But then this Merchant Navy curveball came and I went for it. 1 year of gruesome, brutal training in Greater Noida, where there's a lot of danger on the streets.
How was that?
And then 2 years on 2 different ships. One was a VLCC, 10 months, and I did everything. 20 hours physical work, mental. You have to study, you have to do deck cleaning, chipping, painting. 50 degrees heat in the Middle East. My shoe sole used to be burning.
Oh damn.
And like, we have had an oil spill. I've seen a storm. Then I came back home for a month, then went back for 10 months. So in those 3 years, my entire worldview, the comfort of my parents' home, everything shifted. And I think it really set me up for the rest of my career.
I was just
Honestly. I was a cute, chubby, happy, slightly pampered kid till I was 16 and a half. And that just changed the whole game. And I came back to Bombay. My parents were in Delhi and they said, come study here. You'll give your exams, become an officer. And my brother had just started his MTV gig here. So I said, obviously, I'll go to Bombay to study. Why would I go to Delhi to study where my parents are? So I came to Bombay. And on the pretext of studying for the Merchant Navy, I actually quit the Merchant Navy. I started working in a production house as an intern. Again, started from scratch. On Doordarshan show, then MTV show, like many shows. MasterChef being the most prominent show that I worked on. But my parents didn't find out for like 4-5 months that I've quit the Merchant Navy. They found out through another friend.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
congratulations, we heard Arman is doing something creative.
They're like, what creative? He's studying for his exams. He's got exams in December. And then they just had an awkward silence. They didn't know what to say to each other.
But then were your parents supportive or like?
They had no choice.
Yeah, because Anuja was already
Yeah,
kind
no
of.
So I have 3 parents, right? I always say this. My mom, dad, my elder brother. Even though we're very close and we're very, very like best friend vibe. But I know at least 500 to 1,000 people whose lives have changed because Ranvijay decided to be in the media and entertainment. We had no access, no avenue, no understanding. He was supposed to go to the army. I went to the Merchant Navy. That was our trajectory in life. He chose to do roadies, go into that. And because of him, my friends, his friends, anybody who wanted to be an actor, VJ, DJ, it was an open house. We were 10, 11 boys in one room. And Ranvijay then decided, I'm just going to do outdoor shoots. He used to come, take his stuff, shower,
सब जिंदा है कितने हैं 1 2 you would count इनका रोटी he used to like really like he went out of it
Yeah.
and now I realize he was also 25
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's the thing about older siblings. They like mature faster. They're, you
and
know.
there's
Are
something
you very
about
close to him even
Extremely,
now?
extremely.
Yeah, extremely. Yeah.
and I think there's also something about like Punjabi culture that we can't say no
Hmm.
if anybody says
Comes in, yeah, it's so
बाजी I want to be DJ मैंने 2 गाने बनाए मैं कहा आजा भाई रह ले घर पे क्या है जगह ढूंढ ले if you can sleep and survive there is a roof over your head so that was the thing and slowly then Ranvijay's really cool manager Hiral who has managed Salman Khan she's like right up the food chain she told my mom that it's time these 2 boys stayed on their own otherwise till today we would have had a hostel and a wedding so
I am saying.
it was the ladies in our lives who said, okay, enough of this.
Yeah.
You've done your bit.
Yeah.
Grow up.
Now just the two of you will live in whatever house you
Yeah.
decide. Nobody else.
Yeah.
Talk
Okay.
about
Yeah.
ladies in your life. Is there anyone special?
This is
There-
for research purpose.
Only
There-
me asking.
right now there isn't. I was in a relationship till about 3-4 months back. And
Oh, and this is the most successful time that.
Yeah.
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 But
See,
that-
that's what I
But that's even good actually. Because now
no, it's
we are-
ironical also, right? Like there's a little bit of heartbreak, but there's professional.
Life always makes that.
Yeah. But I've learned most of the things that are good qualities in a human being from the women in my life. They only teach you.
Yeah.
I was around my mom till I was 17. After that, I never lived with her. But she brought up 3 mushtandas, my dad included, my brother. None of us were easy to deal with, but she's just a force and a fierce person. And then later on, all the people I've befriended, I used to be very close to. I always was part of the ladies' club. So even if there's a group of 3-4 girls, I would be part of that gossip session. And sometimes I just always try to understand that perspective. It's really fun. Just hanging out with boys is boring.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
really boring. I would much rather spend time getting some new information, new perspective.
You get only from the girls.
Yeah,
of course.
The amount of information they have is like
It's like, and this is true that men enjoy gossip for sure. I think they've just like women have got a bad rep about gossip. Men love
I
gossip.
think men bitch about people
yeah.
more.
Yeah, 100%.
Women start with that, but they get into other things.
Right.
The starting is that, oh, what's the gossip? Oh, she wore this. But then they get into like
Yeah.
real things.
Yeah,
Men hate on other people.
correct.
Men are very jealous, very
I know all
competitive.
this.
Yeah, of course.
Jealous.
Very
Jealous,
competitive.
yeah.
And in this field, especially, right?
Mm.
I've seen
Standard.
groups of friends who are vying for the same jobs, and there's always
Yeah.
that undertone there. I never wanted that with my friends.
No.
And my friends who are also actors, most of them are behind the camera because I've been
Yeah.
behind the camera. But the ones who are actors and all, we actually go and take each other's names in auditions. Yeah, I've done the audition, but this guy, no, take this guy or recommend.
See?
If you have that
Yeah.
sense,
Yeah.
nobody can take a role from you.
Yeah.
You're not deciding.
Yeah,
It's not in
that's
your control. Wishing that you get it and somebody else not
Mm.
get it is going to ruin your way of thinking.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's true. I have seen you do have a lot of actor friends, and like you all seems, it seems very healthy and no like.
all like, bro, I got your
Yeah.
back, you got your back.
Which is
Because
great.
we're all like
Yeah.
kind of in a system where we don't have control, and the
Yeah.
idea is to reach a place where you do get some control. You
Yeah.
do get some sense of choice.
Mm.
Whether it's somebody sending a script, that is going to be the biggest day of my life. If somebody sends me a script and says, "Aapkas dates bata do."
Oh my.
Tailor-made
So
role
that-
for you. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm waiting for that day.
Mm.
It will happen.
Of
right?
course it will.
You said
Yeah.
it right. You said it
I
aloud.
put it out.
And
I put it all out.
like on like people on Karan Johar show that
Manifestation count, yeah.
So you manifest
So
something.
we are clearly very delulu comparing ourselves to Kejo. But
No.
Oh, come on.
No.
Why
I-
not?
No.
you know, I share a
I'm
birthday with Kejo.
And-
So
and
When
my
I,
initials-
when is birthday?
Hello?
25th May.
I knew that. Of course, Karan sir. We love
Yeah.
you.
And my initials are KJ. Can I?
Oh yeah, that's true. Okay,
No, but-
anyway,
yeah.
but let's not talk about it.
I want to talk about that intimacy scene that
Hmm.
you did, and you were shirtless. Now,
Of course, you want to talk about it. She's like, I'm going, yeah.
It's,
Let's
it's,
talk
a,
about it.
it's,
let's
a,
talk
it's a
about
very pivotal
my-
part of the show.
Really lovely to
See, yeah,
talking
it's
about
very
it.
important to focus on that. Yes.
It's the most important thing. So, how was it? How were you comfortable doing that?
I have to give credit to Shreya again. Man, she is one of the most secure actors. She made not only me, the director, and everybody comfortable with what we were going to do. And we rehearsed and choreographed like you do with an intimacy director. Just to get, no, there wasn't one, but just to get the beats right. Because we got really senior people there. a lot of times intimacy directors are required for people who are doing it for the first time. So there are people who, on the set, they've done it all, right? They've done it all. They know how to do it. And Shreya and I actually, because we became such close friends, we were like those school children giggling and like, hey, I'm going to kiss you. It was that.
Yeah.
It's very, very sweet because we needed to
Yeah.
break that tension. And it's been received so well. I don't know what is happening. It's become a viral
Can you
thing.
just refresh my memory? I kind of faded out. How do you look? How do you look without a shirt? It's like, what is this?
I was
What are you asking?
Wait a
actually?
second now. Wait a second.
Ah.
Wait a second. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Oh my
I'm also so
Yeah.
conscious. I've always been
But
conscious.
generally, women have always been objectified since the beginning of time, right?
Yes.
How do you feel generally about like being objectified? Are you one of those people who are like, no, like appreciate me for my acting, not my looks, or you're like, it's okay, it's fine?
No, I mean, you got to accept good, bad, whatever you get. I've been very blessed, man. The fact that I look like my mom is the best thing in my life.
Really?
Yeah.
Then thank you God for the great genes,
Thank
basically.
you.
Thanks to mom.
And I used to be a really fat kid also. I've had, in my 20s also, I put on weight when I was working on MasterChef. So losing that weight and getting appreciated for your looks and all, it feels nice on me. But I'll never be able to take the fat kid out of my head.
Is it?
So I'm still conscious. I'm still sometimes nervous.
What are you
There's this
Yeah.
You're so
This
fit.
Yeah.
T-shirt. Conscious, but we don't care.
this t-shirt tugging habit is
What
always there.
say?
Yeah. Those
yeah.
it doesn't
I
go out
know
of this.
that because that's obvious. I've been
We
doing it,
probably
but
have
you need
reason
to
to
do it.
do it.
I know where you're coming
Yeah.
from because
I have stretch
yeah.
marks also. I have a scar also. So
Yeah.
I am a little
I
conscious
don't
about
believe
it.
you.
I swear.
I'm like, so,
Oh, okay.
so that didn't happen.
I am actually waiting for that confidence to get 100%. I've told all my friends, like, the day I take off my shirt, I'm not putting it back on. I'm just going to roam around like that because it's a mental thing. So
Yeah.
I did. And I didn't overthink it because at that moment, especially when you're doing such a serious show, na, then those things go out. If it was like a cutesy Emily in Paris type show where the aesthetic is more important,
Yeah.
I would have
Yeah.
been much more bothered.
Mm.
Yeah.
In this show, even if I
with your image as well, right?
even
It's
if
like,
I didn't have the perfect body,
Yeah.
it was
wouldn't
okay
matter.
because I'm a serious spy.
Yeah.
I'm not supposed to have that wash mode.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you do, so
But good job.
Little
Good
bit,
job.
little bit. Without steroids.
Yeah.
Don't do steroids.
Yeah,
Is my
never.
big message. to you.
Absolutely.
Please don't do it.
Yeah, but another amazing thing is that you did Rocky or Rani and you played young Dharmendra, which is, how does that feel? Because obviously we just lost Dharmendra, but that was the last big role he did and you played him. So, do you feel fortunate to kind of be a part of that movie?
I think that's one of those divine moments in your life because I've been saying this, Dharmender ji or sir or I don't know how to refer to him. He was my father's hero,
Yeah.
not my hero.
Yeah.
Just my brother, me, we've grown up mimicking him
Yeah.
from Sholay, from every movie. Because in our house, there were two big heroes. One was Dharamji and
Yeah.
one was
absolutely.
Dara Singh.
Yeah, Dara's
Both Punjabi
Right.
tough men.
Tough man.
So those were like our
Yeah.
Role models.
role models, literally. Especially
Mhm.
Dharmender, because he's done some
Yeah.
really cool army roles also.
Yeah.
Before the
Yeah.
Sholay,
Yeah.
na, he had some black and white movies which were
Mm.
too good.
Right.
Serious acting,
Mm.
amazing. Then he became a huge star. And I had a couple of days of shoot with him.
Mm.
I just to have held his hand,
Mm.
got a bless you from
Just
him.
see
Yeah, that's so amazing.
That's
yeah.
all that I could ask for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
people really thought it was aptly cast. So I have to
Yeah.
give credit to Karan sir, Shanu.
Correct.
They
Yeah.
Shanu called me saying that it's not a big role,
Mm.
but it's a
You're done.
great role.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But before this movie, were you told ever that you remind people of like a young Dharmendra? Had you
My
ever
dad
got
used
that?
to say Rajesh Khanna.
Maybe.
My dad used to say Rajesh
Yeah.
Khanna. So I am like
Mm.
pitching for any
Wow.
biopics.
Superstar, basically like
Rajesh.
the superstar vibes.
In Call Me, I had 2 scenes, but I played a superstar.
Yeah.
See,
Yeah.
that's
Love
the
that.
vibe. Well,
Yeah,
you have
that's
understood the vibe now.
Yeah.
Awesome.
और कोई माने ना माने हमें तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा.
Ah,
I mean,
definitely.
we don't even ourselves who will, right?
Yes,
I mean,
absolutely.
I think that's
But I just say aim for the sky. You'll at least reach the top of the
Yeah.
gum tree.
Correct. Yeah.
ये भी नहीं mountain भी नहीं बोला. तेरे potential
I expect
based on your potential.
Yeah. You know, one astrologer told my folks that I will do something with air, okay? Air. So they said, we came and, I think my daughter will have a air balloon shop. I said, this is all you think of
That
me?
is the most random.
क्या करती है
balloon shop.
आपकी बेटी करती
Because
गुब्बारे की दुकान है
They couldn't think that it would be a flight. So I became a flight, and later on when I became a flight attendant,
Yeah.
and they were like, there was this air thing.
Yeah.
You didn't even think that I could be a flight attendant.
Also, your head is in the clouds still, and like, so that's awesome. Like, it is all like,
Because, he never thought, right? Like, I'll go be an
Yeah.
air hostess, blah, blah,
Yeah.
blah. Because the thought never came, I was studying, he was a journalist, right? Where are you going to think of another profession?
yeah.
No, I
This
was
is
also shocked when we did a photo shoot and my selection was also based on Dharamji kind of approving it.
Hmm.
Is it? He
Yeah,
was-
yeah.
oh, God.
So they had tested many people as usual. They
Wow.
went through thousands of people.
Most
Before they came
most
across-
superstar looking person.
Yeah, and he saw the pictures and he's like,
He
"Arey,
wanted you. That's it. Yeah.
That's amazing, but that's like you
He
literally got the go ahead
Basically,
from
he
him.
saw himself in you as a younger person,
Yeah.
right?
Wow.
Siddiq thi."
And what
Love
a moment. What a
Yeah.
moment.
That's
Yeah.
awesome.
Thanks for sharing that.
Yeah.
Something.
But so you've obviously worked with some big names and like amazing
I have a
actors,
weird like
Yeah.
streak of
which is amazing.
my
But
career goes like chugging along like a malgadi and then
and
suddenly a spike comes.
Yeah.
It goes.
No, but so who is on your list now that you really want to
I
work?
have a list of directors I want to work with, and this is always my pitch to him. Right on top of the list is Rajan DK. Anything that they do, even if it's for 2 minutes, I will be in it. They don't even have to like say. I'll be like, "Sir, ready, come and shoot." Then Sriram Raghavan, Sujit Sarkar, Anubhav Sinha, Vikramaditya Motwani. My direction is always Anurag Kashyap. These are the people that I really love watching.
Hmm. Amazing list.
And
Yeah.
there is Chaitanya Tamhane,
Mm.
who's a phenomenal
Yeah.
director. So even though people perceive me as somebody who looks like a Dharma Yashraj type person because
Mm.
of the way I look,
Yeah.
but my brain is in this direction.
Yeah,
course.
It's
good.
always
have
good.
that.
And that's the writer in you, I'm sure, right?
Yeah.
So yeah.
And I feel very fortunate I worked with Rajan DK. There are some amazing creators. The person who's made Patal Lok, his name is
Mm.
Sudeep Sharma.
Yeah.
Right? If I get a chance to work with him.
Mm.
And then there's so many
Yeah,
people.
there's so many.
Yeah.
But it's not usually the song and dance and masala film and
But you won't mind doing that either.
I'll do it.
Yeah, of course.
Totally, clearly. But we're going to now.
Ask you some fun.
Yes,
fun
we have a list of fun questions. Okay.
Do you want to talk anything about your ideas, about your work, so that we can pitch it on our this?
Yeah, I think we've covered a good amount. Okay,
Yeah.
so okay, but now we're moving on to this fun segment, and we want full honesty, huh? Because this chair, like electric
Full
shock stuff.
honesty. I'll think about that. It's very subjective. I'll just act honest. Act honest.
And if you're not
Don't
honest, you get a
Don't tell
punishment.
Anjali everything, Arman. Don't. That is for off
Yeah,
camera.
I already have some previous info known.
Punishment, punishment if you don't on.
Uh,
Lap dance.
oh, okay. That escalated very quickly.
Very remember here.
Just like she's been thinking about it for a long time. You had that answer very ready to go.
Hold on.
Okay.
कुछ seductive ही होना चाहिए.
Calm down, Ben. Okay, let's start. Okay, rate yourself from 1 to 10. So 10 is the highest, obviously.
Really? 10 is the
Okay.
highest.
Your ability to pretend you're not flirting while clearly flirting.
12.
Oh, so we'll have to see that also in action.
Yeah,
but
I already
It's-
have. I mean, I think it's
Like I do this.
Oh, wow. So sad. Sorry to break it. She thought you're flirting with her all this while. Oh no, I'm so sad. Okay.
You're saying, why are you saying sorry to me?
No, because now all the stories you've told about all the guys who flirted to her,
How
did that even
do
happen?
you know I wasn't?
Oh, ooh,
You want? Oh, see, I told you.
Okay, next question.
So, texting after a date.
Like immediately text.
Immediately text.
Yeah. Usually, yes. You should. Why not? If you've met somebody and if you felt any kind of connection, it's just the right thing to do. I don't believe in like
Wait 2 days and all that.
playing any kind of game. Be honest, dude. Like I've reached that point in my life where if you're in a relationship, please be committed. If you're not in a relationship, please don't promise anything.
Yeah.
Simple.
Great. Awesome. Okay. How much main character energy do you think you have? Now, full honest, huh?
A lot.
Yeah. But no, 1 to 10.
10.
100.
10. 10.
10, yeah.
I've felt it always.
Nice. Okay. How often do you say I'm not dramatic while actually being dramatic?
I'm actually not so dramatic. I'd like to believe that. Because I have a hyperactive father and brother, me and my mom are slightly calmer.
Mm.
But I have my moments of drama on set. I've had this moment at 4 a.m. where I'm talking to the production. It's like, how can you plan a 16-hour day shoot? How can you do this, Amit? And Amit's like, bhai, main kya karu? Ye aaj hi khatam karna hai. I'm like, no, it's not fair to the crew, to me, to everybody. And instantly my first AD wala mode comes on. Where I'm like, this is wrong. You can't make a shoot for 18, 20 hours. It's inhuman. I look tired on my face. Then I went back and thinking, like, have I become that actor who's complaining about working hours?
Sorry, tantrums.
No, it's not.
number.
But it's not
actually,
tight.
it's not,
It
yeah.
is actually wrong that you've planned a 2-day
Mm.
shoot in one night
Mm.
and you're forcing us to do
Yeah.
it. So I have those moments. But usually, and I've had,
It happens often.
no,
No.
it usually happens when they've pushed
Mm.
Yeah.
me too far.
Right.
Mm.
right.
But I'm one to
yeah.
hit back.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not,
Yeah.
I won't take it lightly. Especially all these like rules and like, you don't mess with the crew, give them food on time, all those things. Give a lunch break. Don't be inhuman.
I don't remember. That's
Fair.
true.
Hmm.
Fair enough. Yeah. Your next question.
Okay. Fall in love quickly. Like, how likely are you? 1 to 10.
Oh, आज सुबह से start करो मैं.
में.
बहुत ज़्यादा भाई, बहुत ज़्यादा ये problem है.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
I am full
Yeah.
full
Oh,
Majnu.
wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
We
look
all are.
at somebody from a distance and oh my god,
Yeah,
she
yeah,
is the
this
one.
is the one.
I've been waiting for all my life.
Then after 3 months, it's like,
Yeah.
oh no.
Yeah, how
she's
is
the
Mr.
one.
Right? Like I would say Mr. Right now. It's right now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I think I've had really serious relationships. I was in a 6-year-long relationship when I was 28 to 34, I think.
Mm.
And you have all kinds of phases. You
Mm.
can't say that I was the same person when I was 21
Yeah.
or when I was 25. At
Mm.
24, I was madly in love with somebody.
Mm.
Yeah.
And I saw that person like eventually settle down and
Mm.
meet somebody else
Mm.
and live through that. So you have all kinds of phases.
Yeah. Mm.
And you shouldn't become jaded, but at the same time, you shouldn't be against marriage or against relationships and not be angry at the world. You have to be open so that you can actually meet somebody
Yeah.
lovely.
Correct.
Actually, it's a blessing to be able to love over and over again.
I think so.
I think it's a
Yes,
blessing.
basically
Like,
you've been able
I
to keep
knew
your
at
heart
times who was
open,
stuck
right?
to one
And
person for years, even if like oh, he did that, and I wish I was with him. I'm like, no, but there's like,
yeah.
I mean, if you grow, you're
Yeah, but
going to meet people.
I hear women say this constantly, the quality of men in at least Bombay is.
Yes. What is your thought on that?
Bombay is supposed to be the best quality of men.
No, actually. No.
Yeah, but I think
It
men,
is.
men need to step it up a little bit for
Mm.
sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because women are doing everything. They're working
that is
out.
one part, yeah.
They're becoming fit. They're looking great. They're doing everything. You guys are, hey, come on. No. They're doing job.
Yeah,
yeah.
The
But
women have
yeah.
really
Yeah,
upskilled
absolutely.
Mm.
and like
Really quickly.
Yeah.
Better
And
than was
Actually, decentralized men, which I think is a great thing which has happened for women, actually.
Yeah.
Like, there was this narrative, get married, have kids, which so many
Absolutely.
women are like, screw that.
it's
So
important.
now the men do have to step up because
And even if you have that dream of finding your Prince Charming, that old school dream, you at least have the independence to do it yourself, as opposed to your parents forcing it down your throat. So you be financially independent. That's the main thing, whether you're a boy or a girl. In your 20s, by your 30s, please be financially independent so that you can make those choices. Otherwise, you'll feel obliged.
yes. And if you're in a bad relationship, you'll still stay because you don't have financial.
You don't have anywhere to
I
go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Rate your cooking skills from 1 to 10.
My cooking skills is like post-apocalypse survival food. Great job. Peanut butter, jelly, Maggi, noodles, anything with anda 4-5 forms. I can make rotis. I can do chawal. I can do basic sabji.
Can make coffee, which is
Coffee, I can
You
do
good?
pretty well.
Yeah,
Like I
okay.
can pretend like I'm a
Yeah.
oh
Oh,
coffee,
yeah.
yeah, baby, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, these beans are fresh. All that. जो wine वाले थे वो coffee वाले बन गए. Snobby
That's true.
behavior.
Yeah,
I do
that's
that.
true.
Yeah.
You
The
do.
whole
Don't
the Gona coffee and all you
But
did
honestly,
in COVID.
there's nothing better than ordering coffee.
Yeah.
That joy of
There's nothing better than ordering a coffee.
घर पे तुम
Or going to a coffee
हाँ.
and having a coffee.
Coffee, yeah, that's
कितना भी
nothing
कर लो ना घर पे
Yeah, agree.
आफ्टर वाइल वो
Agree.
दूध वाला खराब हो जाता है या हवा नहीं आ रही है उसमें
Agree.
प्रेशर
Yeah,
दी है
yeah.
Yeah.
so I've tried all this but coffee is a big part
Yeah.
of my life thanks to my brother he's
Oh,
got me
he
addicted
does a
Speaking
coffee
of my life,
addict. Yeah.
like my coffee shops are my sacred place.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
I have to
And
go
I
and have
have-
my coffee.
I have to give it to journal khar
Actually,
Yeah.
you go to journal. Oh, nice, good. Good,
Journal-
you know.
Yeah,
one time
Journal
I see
Heart
you
will
go and-
consider sponsoring this episode. So
Please.
great.
Please.
Thank you. Any other brands you want to recommend, please go
no
for it.
bougie of course everybody knows
I know.
I've never
But,
seen it at Bougie. I've never seen it at Bougie.
I see a lot of actors at Bougie whenever
Yeah,
I go,
they do.
but I'm not seeing you. So yeah.
Or maybe I have. I don't know.
it's just the timing and there are so many bougies now 3 of
What time do you go?
usually between 12 to 2
after my gym is on Linking Road. I'll give you the whole road map.
Middle of the day. Okay, great. Okay, how would you rate your skill in choosing the right projects from 1 to 10?
I used to be a lot more, I would say, like I had strict rules for. I was very protective about my face
Mm.
because I was like, there's nobody who's managing my work as such,
Yeah.
right? Nobody who's giving me that.
Hmm.
Ran Vijay is like the king of reality TV.
Yes.
But when it comes to fiction, we're both like
Hmm.
still finding our way. He's done many movies, but now he's come back to acting in a really cool way. So I've said no to some things I feel in retrospect I could have done, but I'm still happy with my choices.
Yeah, I
You've made great choices.
I've
I
had
would say.
decent
Yeah.
choices. There are 2 projects in my life that I feel I shouldn't have done. There are 2 of them. Rest everything I really like. If anybody watches them, I still feel proud. There's not
Happy to be
so
associated
cringe
with.
is there. There's
Mm.
about 15%, 20%
Yeah.
cringe. But
Mm.
most of the friends and all I have, they have 80% cringe and 20%.
Correct.
Yeah.
So I'm very fortunate because I've
Yeah.
worked with Discovery, I've worked with NBA, I've worked with really nice brands. I've written for Sony Live, I've written for Applause. All Netflix, I haven't done anything. It's
Yeah.
Netflix.
Netflix. Yeah. But
Amazon
Prime.
Prime.
Questions now.
No.
Please ask my question.
she has some very important questions,
Yeah.
which will literally be like, what time do you wake up?
Wednesday 8 p.m. Where are you going to be?
Fine. Tomorrow night.
And what do you like drinking? It's just a question.
OG. I like just doing the map.
Bandra. Kahin na kahin to you'll meet, yeah, I'm sure. Bandra. If the
Also,
uni-
I'll
he
tell
puts
you, I
it
have
in
a
the
secret
universe.
place.
Hmm.
I have a secret place that nobody knows.
Ooh.
It's in Juhu,
Oh.
which I love.
Is it Soho House?
No, it's Beirut.
Oh, yeah, I used to go. I
It's
mean,
not
going
any
there a while
secret
ago.
anymore.
Now,
Yeah,
because
I've-
I've changed it. Na.
You stay very close to that, right?
Chin Chu, Beirut, that stretch also I really like.
Oh.
Yeah.
Because I don't meet anybody I know there.
Yeah, Bandra though, of course. Every time you go somewhere, everyone. Yeah.
वो चलता
But
रहता
you should do it now because now people have watched you, right? So you'd have.
है. Yeah.
Yeah.
I should just go out and wear a t-shirt like,
Hey, I'm in Family Man 3. Did you watch? Click on the link.
But I did want to ask you actually something, which is that see, you're not a nepo kid, obviously, but
I'm an Apple brother.
yeah, I was gonna say that you did have a brother in the
Yeah.
industry, right? So do you think that helped you? And like,
yeah, it would have. It has helped me. How can I deny it, right? You need a place to stay in Bombay. My brother's done that for me without ever saying anything. So I have. The reason why I'm in this industry is because my brother decided to do it. Having said that, if he had it in him to launch me when I was 25, 26, he would have done it. If I could have done it for him, we tried also. I wrote a film that he was acting in, but that film didn't get completed. But I owe everything to him. The best part about being Ranvijay's brother that I tell people is, every time I take his name somewhere, and first people ask me, are you his real brother? Because there are 10,000 other people who claim it's true.
people came to be his brother.
It's true.
Actors.
First of all, people think Varun Sood is Ranvijay's real brother.
But he's
Varun,
actually just your really close friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
everybody thinks Varun and Ranvijay are real brothers. I'm some cousin or something. Just want to clear it for everybody
Is this?
since I was born. So the best part about being his brother is that every time I take his name, the other person on the other side just smiles and kind of accepts me. There's a preconceived notion which is very good. रणविजय का भाई तो ठीक ही होगा,
Yeah.
मेहनती
And he's
होगा,
built himself.
sweet होगा. So he's done that.
There's like goodwill also that
I am getting all the benefit of that. So I also, there have been places where I have gone first because of him. And right now, in the last 2-3 years, there have been places where I've worked first and then he's gone. So, touch wood. And he started taking some of my clothes also, which I'm loving. It's too cute, right? If he takes anything from me, it's very rare. I take everything. Right now, what I'm wearing might be his. I don't even know.
That goes without saying. As a younger sibling, I do that with my
I
sister's
just-
stuff all
I
the
have
time.
no no. He loves the fact that I wear his shoes because we have the same shoe size. He's got the best sneakers in the world.
Lucky. That's the one
Lucky.
thing I can't take of my sister's. Shoe sizes.
That means I've only got everything from him, and in any way, if I can get him something, it's very difficult to get a gift from him. But I've only benefited from him being in the industry because he's such a nice person.
Yeah, that's what now people
That-
then.
If I was some asshole's brother, and they were like, "तू उसका भाई है, तू तो निकल यहाँ से भाई." वो भी तो हो सकता है ना.
Correct.
वो भी हो सकता है.
That goodwill basically is what
Yeah.
helps.
And the same thing with my family. I think my mom and dad have always had that. And my dad retired as a general from the army. My mom's been all kinds of things. She's a national basketball player.
Oh, wow.
She's a philanthropic person. She's educated people from underprivileged backgrounds throughout her life without ever speaking about it. Started a school in the border area where my dad was posted. Then got into painting, writing. She started a business when we were in Delhi because we didn't have enough money. Because army mein, life is great, money is tight. So when you go to a big city, you need to have more than.
Yeah.
Of course, yeah.
So she started making suits and dresses, exporting them. She does glass painting.
Very entrepreneurial, and you've kind of seen that from a
She
young.
has that. She'll pick up something. And when she got into writing, it was because of me, actually, which is
Ah.
very sweet.
You encourage her to write books?
I was the first one who started writing. I wrote shows and screenplays. And she said, I've got so much inside me pent up. She had gone through her menopause. She had lost her mother. And it all happened in the span of 3-4 years. And she was just like pent up with lots of emotions. And there's no outlet. So I said, just why don't you write? She said, if I write, you guys make fun of my English, my Hindi, then how will the whole world will make fun of it? I was like, the grammar part,
Hmm.
Yeah.
we can get 10,000 people
Out.
who can fix your grammar.
Correct, correct.
Yeah,
The
like-
plot needs to be there, as long as the story
The
is
thought,
there.
the
Correct.
journey that you
Yeah.
were.
Yeah.
So now she's published 3 books.
Oh, awesome, yeah.
Just
Wow.
imagine.
That's so great that you did that though for your
Yeah.
mom, because I
I mean,
think
she did that. I
I
just
mean, you
pushed her.
encouraged her. Yeah,
She
it's
gave him
important.
the looks, so
Mm.
that's
Yeah, that's the least you can do.
least
Thanks
you
to the
can do.
genes, mom. Here, let me encourage you.
I
Great.
love you, buddy.
Yeah, but that's so cool. I think the whole family then is so multi-talented and has done so many things, which is
And a little bit competitive within the 4 of us in a very nice way. So anybody asks me now, who are the people you're competing on? I'm not competing with anybody. मेरे घर में ही बहुत competition है. Sometimes if you're all sitting together and there's like, we throw a paper ball in the bin, that becomes a competition. Basketball.
Yeah.
So we're a little competitive. We play golf, we play rummy
nice.
versus each other. Dad
Yeah.
and me are one team, Ranvijay and my mom are one team. So all the competition within the 4 people. But we can't compete with my dad. He's spoken at the UN General Assembly. He's been a United Nations force commander in Israel, Syria when he was a general. So even if my brother and I get an Oscar,
yeah.
Oh, that's-
That is
no,
like
but
yeah,
you really
of course.
can't. Really
Yeah,
can't
yeah. It's like
comparison. That-
but it gives us a good benchmark to see what can be achieved. Right? You only see it in your environment.
yeah. But it's so sweet to see also like a close knit family because like truly are a
hope
family man.
Family
Yeah, he truly is a
And I
family
hope
man.
it stays like this.
Yeah.
Guys,
No, no,
don't
of course,
fight.
that's-
Don't fight with each other.
Yeah, yeah, it's okay.
Okay. So now we know you're a writer and you can think on your feet and you've been a host
I want
also.
to ask you an important-
Oh
Give her a
God!
moment,
Now
Anjali.
some random question is gonna
Guy.
come.
Guy, take
Yeah.
it away.
Yeah.
Okay, ask.
Can I call you Guy?
Of course you can, but please don't
Exactly.
tell
Then
me
it's
please.
quick. Well, then you can say then you can say daddy.
18-year-olds.
Then you can say daddy. Okay, anyway. Okay, continue.
So,
ये हर podcast में ऐसे होते हैं
हाँ, हाँ.
Yeah, आज
हाँ,
कुछ
अपने
I
आप
like-
को इतना भी special मत कर. We do this with all the men. No, I'm joking.
No.
No, but that's why we choose the men also, the guests accordingly. Na, men we adore.
doing men, by the way. So,
Only doing men sounds very wrong. We only feature
but
men.
also doing men sounds fine also.
Ah,
Because we only really do only men.
okay. Anyway,
So what's your kind of woman? That's ideal type. Now, be honest.
I have a type. It's a little like fierce. They have to be fierce and opinionated because I get attracted to that. Anybody who's too agreeable, I find like little anti-establishment. Little bit I like that.
okay, and then like
Outspoken anti-establishment, and it's been a pattern that I've realized later. And somebody is witty,
Yeah.
who can outwit me.
okay.
That's all there. And I used to say endless conversations.
Yeah. So
If
hot.
you can,
Yeah. But then we have an important question. Okay, now you can't lie. Yeah? Remember this. So if you had to choose between,
just see what.
what did you do?
AC
Yeah.
के बाद
चलने हैं. Okay.
Why AC चलाओ जरा.
No. But then I have to ask you a very important question. So if you had to choose between a really hot woman, okay, very physically attractive, that you are attracted to, but she's not smart at all, and someone who's not very physically attractive, but very smart, what would you choose? And now don't lie, huh?
The
now?
third one, who's physically attractive and is smart. Yeah, bro, that's the honest answer.
Honest answer. Appreciate.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
of course, without having physical attraction, there's no point anyway.
That's true.
Yeah,
So what's the one
that's
point?
called Rakhi.
Yeah, फिर तो yeah, correct.
Oh, acha, Rakhi, acha.
Yeah, like you can have friends, hence the female
Yeah,
friends.
yeah.
I guess. Yeah.
Make them all the sisters, yeah? That's what we do, isn't it? We don't like somebody and they
Yeah,
like
friends
us.
will-
You are like my brother.
women do it all the time. Bro, you are so close. I love you like a brother. And the guy like 3 साल से मैं try कर रहा हूँ.
But then we have to ask you this question, but I think because you do have female friends, right? But a lot of guys, they're friends with women only like in that hope that one day they'll break up with the guy and then I'll be friends.
I'll tell you, that's very, very clear. Again, it's a product of your upbringing. I've grown up in a completely co-ed environment. In the army, we never differentiated. I only understood this when I got out of the bubble of the army cantonment life, that boys and girls have issues going to each other's houses. Even in the middle of the night, if I had to go to a friend's house with a girl, nobody said anything. It was just understood. So we grew up in a different kind of environment where the rest of the country operates differently. People have differences based on caste, creed, religion. We didn't have that. We used to go to the Gurdwara, Masjid, the church on the same day sometimes, temple. So the army life was very different. And so I've always grown up with girls. Like girls were also close friends, boys were also close friends. So it's never been, I've never had the dearth of that understanding.
Yeah.
Here it's different. It's different when you go out in the
Yeah,
world.
like I think as women sometimes, you know, like you'll just
You should be able to have a friend who's not trying to sleep with you,
exactly.
man.
Like with, you know, I've always told you, I've also always had female friends for that simple reason because I feel like sometimes you just want to be friends with a guy, but because they read
guy
into
is
it
a
more.
guy is a guy.
So many. But I think, of course,
think
guys and
things are
girls
changing,
can be
yeah.
friends, of
I
course.
think
So,
things are
like,
changing. I don't think that we
Yeah.
have that now.
Yeah.
Like you're just like you hang out with boys and men, and it's not like
I have so many close friends who are like, dude, I only have guy friends. Like they're also those. They're all kinds. But what you're saying
it
was
it
at
was
one
a
point.
thing, yeah, at some point.
लड़के दोस्त नहीं हो सकते.
Yeah,
Okay, so you already asked the question that I wanted to. Okay, let's ask a final question. Okay, what's the best part of you that you think neck downwards? I mean, it's not
So,
a smile.
Shreya, what is your
No, say smile and eyes.
your favorite physical feature?
I'll tell you, the world is obsessed.
With your chest, your arms, what? Shoes.
Keep guessing.
Eyes and smile.
You pointed at higher right now. So
Huh.
your legs.
What is up?
You do leg, like you don't skip leg day basically.
I don't. It is because I was fat, so automatically my legs got developed. I used
You
to
don't
play
have those
basket.
skinny legs.
No, I have legs that even the biggest bodybuilder in the gym will
Yeah.
Oh.
veins are coming out, calf muscle,
Yeah,
everything. Yeah, like a
alright.
cheetah.
Okay.
Cheetah.
We'll have to make a trip to that gym.
Yeah.
That gym that he's been doing.
Yeah, you are anyways making a schedule.
No, my friend also they show off like, hey, तू अपनी legs दिखा, इसको legs दिखा. I'm like, बस मैं exercise कर लूँ 2 मिनट. नहीं तू legs दिखा. Hey, legs.
Alright.
They are very proud of me. My
Yeah.
gym gang, na?
Yeah.
Even Varun, my brother, is
Yeah.
like, भाई इसको legs दिखा दो.
Yeah, anyone can show their muscles, but leg muscles is the real deal. Okay, awesome. Okay, now we can play another short, quick game.
You can play easy, long game.
Okay. But because you're a writer, obviously, and you've had to pitch things many times to people,
Yeah.
whether it's shows, concepts, all of that, I'm going to give you objects and let's see how well you pitch it.
Oh, I have to
Oops,
do
sorry.
a live pitch.
Yeah. Oh, God. I'm going to move my chair.
गिर
She was in
गिर
charge.
मत जाना अंजी. Camera पे.
She was in charge of object.
Yeah.
If I was, I would have got different object.
Yeah.
But now we are on.
And like
I know where you're going.
in a minute, oh, yeah.
इनको तो objects अगर मिल जाते तो ये objectify ही
Oh,
करते.
exactly. It'll be another kind of podcast, but yeah,
Yeah,
go.
yeah.
I don't know. Up to you. You have to sell this now.
कौन है भाई ये?
Imagination and
I should
creativity
know the
use करके.
Character at least.
I'll tell you, it's a character from Chota Bheem that my son loves called Kirmada.
But anything that has anything to do with mythology वो हटा दे.
What?
मैंने कुछ उल्टा बोल देना है.
नहीं,
दूसरा दे.
वो
दूसरा.
mythology नहीं है.
नहीं छोटा
Okay,
भीम का ही
we'll
कुछ
keep
हो.
it as a lucky
Some-
charm.
It could be some deva
No,
gods from
yeah.
Rak.
It's a demon, but not
हाँ,
the
so
demon.
which
इसमें
demon?
कुछ भी बोल सकता है.
हाँ.
अच्छा ठीक.
मैं नहीं बोल रहा.
Fine.
What? Ting, ting, ting.
You have to sell it. You have to sell this
I'll
object.
perform and sell.
Okay.
I've been learning the guitar actually.
Okay.
recently.
Yeah.
Wow, then that's cool. Can you sing?
I can sing ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जा. I'm trying to learn I'm trying to learn. Hindi music was my dad's 70th birthday is coming. I'm trying to learn a couple of songs for him. The ones that he loves and play.
That's supposed to be a surprise. Already sees this, no?
I told him to
When is
prepare
this
actually. 6th of Jan.
Okay.
I have very little time, so I'm
Very
trying to. But इसको अगर बेचना होगा तो I would say I would create a very romantic story around this. It's about the lost ukulele, the last gift that a young man from New Delhi got before his girlfriend disappeared, and he's been on the hunt for her ever since. The only clue that he's left with is
this ukulele where she signed her name. And there's one little phone number there, but it's incomplete and it's only half written. So he's trying every day to figure out those last 4 digits and find the phone.
Wow, I would watch this movie, man. Let's make it. Let's write this movie. Okay, love. Okay, good.
You have
And
one
then
more, no?
I have one more. It's random.
I also have a few things, but I'm
What?
not
You're just going to take out things from your purse.
Oh, this is one of my favorite things.
Really?
I would make a sports film about ultimate frisbee.
Yeah, we've not seen that, right? Frisbee has a other
Frisbee
movies on
is such an athletic game. You
Mm.
can play it like foot. So ultimate frisbee पे एक game बनाऊंगा where there's a group that lives in Juhu versus a group that lives in
Oh.
Vashi.
Are we doing like a
And
nice
it's a little-
Chojita Vai se
Yeah,
karta
yeah,
hai,
yeah.
but
And
like
the Juhu group is practicing on Juhu beach and the Vashi boys
the
are practicing.
underdogs are the Vashi ones,
Of
obviously.
course. But little do they know that the Vashi ones have an underdog, a secret weapon, a boy who left Juhu when he was young. He knows the ins and outs of Juhu
Love
and
it.
what can break that
Yeah.
group.
Break the groove.
See, these movies are great. Huh? These ideas, let's draw them.
That's what I'm saying. He's
See, forget pickleball, frisbee is where it's at these days.
First of all, I want to make an announcement. Pickleball is not a sport.
Yeah, I like pickleball. I play
Of course you do, Anjali. I can figure. Paddle.
pickleball.
Paddle
That
what
is
you
the
should
real
do.
deal.
I'm addicted.
I think pickle is also you sweat, but why do people criticize pickle? It's fun and you sweat and it's a good workout. I enjoy it.
He
Anyway.
doesn't like pickle.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's the sound of the plastic ball, I tell you. It's a, whereas paddle is tennis.
But you play basketball, right? Because you
Basketball and
host. Yeah.
paddle.
It's
Paddle
all
and
the place.
Yeah.
Has to be, yeah.
Everybody in my family.
Did you ever consider being an athlete though? Like, was that ever on the thing or
I
not?
was too chubby. Yeah. I've only become fit in the last 10.
When we were writing, we used to order all rubbish.
I
and
still-
like,
I
you
still-
want to see
pictures.
I still-
I'm sure it's not that
My face was this big. I'm not even kidding. Like this big.
But it was
Proper-
good times, no? In terms of food, at least. Like, I sometimes think that's the
Yeah.
trade-off to
Yeah,
obviously
but
look.
if you don't have a physical or a medical issue, having extra weight doesn't help, man. It just, you have to do something about it. And I've realized as you grow, like I'm closer to 40 now, you have to keep getting lighter to feel better in life.
That's true.
Like I feel even the ones who are building all these big muscles now, they're
Yeah.
only going to suffer.
Yeah, because the moment that they stop, it's going, and they actually the body really deteriorates. Then it's rather that you don't do anything like that and keep fit and eat
Mm.
well.
Like Akshay Kumar, man, look at him. Natural, athletic. The ability for an actor more than anything, the ability to do different things physically. So I want to be able to hold the gun properly,
Also
do
there.
sword
Oh.
play.
When you said do things physically, I was thinking of something else. But I mean,
And
that
of course,
too, right?
Of course,
Like,
the intimacy scenes also.
yeah.
Intimacy, which you're waiting to see more of. More
Yeah,
of.
yeah. Kai is a fan now.
More roles like that after.
Why not?
Yeah,
I don't know.
I think so.
I write books like that, so
We all
as my next character, I'll let. But
Based
if my
on you.
book becomes a movie or a OTT,
Yeah.
then we shall get you the one of
So
the
both
roles
of you have
of the
written
boys.
books now.
Yeah, so we're both authors. So yeah, we
And
write.
best-selling,
Well, we're the OG bestseller.
100.
Number one. Number one.
दूसरे लोग लाइक करते होंगे. We are real best
Number
selling
one in
authors.
Juhu. JVPD
Yeah.
scheme night.
It's me. No, but yeah, I mean, I think we've asked a lot of
धीरे-धीरे
questions.
दीवार के साथ चले जाओगे तो इधर आ जाए यार वापस.
Okay, चल
फिर
तुम मत-
धीरे-धीरे shift होते गए.
Yeah.
Now the first AD in me is like feeling out of position.
Yeah. But I like that you care about like how your co-actors or your co-hosts or whatever, like how we're looking, which is it shows very good. But okay, last question before we go. So you played a lot of green flag characters, right? But this in Family Man, there's negative shades. But in real life, how would you define yourself? Are you a green flag or like?
I don't know, man. I think I look at green flags as people who've gotten married and have kids and are very into them. I can't qualify the green flag because I'm still single and going around. I'm definitely not a bad person, but I really think green flags, especially in our industry, is the men who have found the need and the sense of family over dating and everything. So they're greener flags, forest. Like my brother, I've seen. I was watching Vicky Kaushal yesterday in some interview. He's a green flag.
Yeah.
So these guys are
yeah.
greener.
The OG.
Yeah,
No,
they're-
not
they're
necessarily.
green.
They have the one married ones are also
Single boys
having a
don't.
lot of.
Single
No, but
boys
he's talking about the ones who are committed and
Very committed.
actually.
Very few and far between, but
and single men are usually not considered. It's okay.
Yeah. But do you see yourself getting married?
I'm writing something.
Yeah.
I want to write a romantic piece, a show from a man's perspective. And it doesn't have to be either a man-child or a perfect man. There is somebody who can be flawed but still be good. So I'm trying to write something like that. Fleabag is a huge inspiration for me.
Continue writing. Means
I'm
you've
writing
done
now.
acting. Yeah. So writing and acting.
Last 2-3 years has become less
Yeah,
because of
because of-
acting, but
yeah.
I'm already writing
Yeah.
something with
Yeah.
somebody.
Also, you enjoy it.
Awesome. Yeah.
Very nice.
We look forward to
Yes.
seeing you. We look forward to the stuff that you create as well as
Yes.
the roles. that
Hopefully
you-
something we create together.
Yeah. Yeah. I know we've had some conversations. So
What will we create together?
Hey, Kyra, that's after the camera's cut.
off camera. ये बातें camera पे थोड़ी बोलते हैं. No. But no. But thank you so much for taking the time out to
Thank
come
you
and
guys,
chat with
man.
us.
Thank you. It's a
Really enjoyed it.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed chatting with us as well.
yeah. I want to be a regular feature on this podcast. I've
that
decided.
way, yeah,
Every
we like
every
it,
90
yeah.
days,
Done,
whatever
done,
happens in my
Yeah,
life,
yeah.
I'll come and update here.
Please do. We'd
Yeah.
love to
Yeah.
have you on
I'm
the
serious.
Yeah, yeah.
I love this.
And our viewers will also be very happy.
No, no. Of course, people don't. Of course, they'll call you. People don't because like people are just intimidated by your good look.
Your aura, your main character energy.
Yes.
It's like,
You're being sarcastic.
not at all. Not at all.
Seriously, would I be sarcastic to you?
Never,
No.
never.
No, never.
Thank you so much, man. I
Thank you.
really, really, really appreciate the fact that you got me here. And it's not easy to do podcasts also. There's a lot of hard work people have to understand. Making yourself work is the toughest thing in life. We do for other people we work so hard. But जब खुद का project होता है, खुद के लिए करना बहुत मुश्किल है. So
Very true,
just
yeah.
stick to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep on
Thank
doing
you.
it.
Thank
Do-
you.
I'm glad
I'll
you
come for the
enjoyed
100th episode if you want.
Yes.
Wow, love that. Yeah,
And
let's
after the
manifest.
30th also, 50th, 60th, or 100 for sure. मैंने 4 episode lock
Thanks.
किए.
Love it.
Superb. Love to have you.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Thanks, Arman. Woo.